got his bums. 42nd Street got Big Jim Walker. He's a bull shooting son of a gun. He's big and dumb as a man can come, stronger than a country horse. When we all get together at night, we all call Big Jim Boss, just because. And he said, you don't tug on Superman's cape, you don't fit into the wind, you don't pull the mask off that old Lone Ranger, and you don't mess around with Jim. Well, out of South Alabama come a country boy, saying looking for a man named Jim. I am a bull shooting boy, my name was Willie McCoy, but down the home they call me Slim. Yeah, I'm looking for a king of 42nd Street, driving a drop-top Cadillac, and he took all my money. It may sound funny, but I come to get my money back. And everybody say, Jack, woo, don't you know, you don't tug on Superman's cape, you don't fit into the wind, you don't pull the mask off that old Lone Ranger, and you don't mess around with Jim. Well, a hush fell over the pool room, Jimmy come dropping in off the street. When the cutting was done, the only part that wasn't bloody was the soles of the big man's feet. And he's cut 100 places, and he was shot in a couple more. And you better believe they sang a different kind of story when Big Jim hit that floor. They say you don't tug on a Superman's cape, you don't fit into the wind, you don't pull the mask off that old Lone Ranger, and you don't mess around with Jim. Yeah, Big Jim got his hat, find out where it's at. He ain't hustling people strange to you, even though he's got a two-piece custom-made cool cue. You don't tug on Superman's cape, you don't fit into the wind, you don't pull the mask off that old Lone Ranger, and you don't mess around with Jim. Ba 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 ba.